you want to make money on YouTube with AI-powered, easy-to-create videos, tools like ChatGPT, ElevenLabs, and Canva can save you time, effort, and money while helping you grow your channel. Here's how each tool works and how they contribute to better videos and more revenue. 1. ChatGPT AI Scriptwriter. What is it? ChatGPT is an AI-powered chatbot that can write YouTube video scripts, video ideas, descriptions, and even engaging titles in seconds. How it helps your YouTube channel. Generates complete video scripts in minutes. Helps with engaging titles and descriptions for better ranking. Writes catchy YouTube shorts. Scripts for quick views. Gives you content ideas based on trends. Saves time, no more struggling with writer's block. Example, instead of spending hours writing a script for a top 10 AI tools for YouTube video, just ask ChatGPT, write me a YouTube script for a video on the best AI tools for content creators. Boom! You get a ready-to-use script instantly. 2. ElevenLabs AI Voiceover Generator. What is it? ElevenLabs is an AI-powered voice generator that creates natural-sounding voiceovers in different tones and accents. It's perfect if you don't want to use your own voice or hire expensive voice actors. How it helps your YouTube channel. Converts text into realistic AI voiceovers. No need to record yourself. Supports multiple languages and accents for a global audience. High-quality audio makes your videos sound professional. Saves money. No need for a microphone or hiring a voice artist. Example, if you're making faceless YouTube videos in the finance niche, you can. Use ChatGPT to write the script. Use ElevenLabs to generate a professional voiceover. Use a video editor to match the audio with visuals. Done. A high-quality video without ever recording your voice. 3. Canva AI Thumbnail and Video Editor. What is it? Canva is an easy-to-use design tool for creating YouTube thumbnails, channel banners, intros, and even video clips. How it helps your YouTube channel. Makes high-quality, eye-catching thumbnails, essential for getting more clicks. Has ready-made YouTube templates. Just edit and go. Lets you design logos, banners, and social media posts. Helps with basic video editing, like adding text, transitions, and animations. Example, instead of struggling with Photoshop, just pick a YouTube thumbnail template on Canva, drag and drop your image, add text, and you're done in minutes. A good thumbnail can increase clicks, boost views, and grow your channel faster. How these AI tools help you make money on YouTube. More videos, faster, more ad revenue and affiliate sales. Better quality and engagement. More watch time and higher rankings. Faceless and automated. No need to be on camera or record your voice. More monetization options. Sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and merch sales. Final workflow, 1 ChatGPT writes the script to ElevenLabs, creates a professional AI voiceover. 3 Canva, makes an attention-grabbing thumbnail. 4 upload to YouTube, monetize and earn passive income. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for AI-powered money-making tips, and more content like this. Comment below which AI tool you're going to try first. I respond to every comment. See you in the next video. Keep creating and keep earning.